right, guys, this is Emmett Stallworth again, the Alpha Builder, and I have two builder hacks today that I want you guys to check out. Well, actually, it may be three. Okay, one, guys, and guys, I've always said that, you know, the days of the custom builder, the man in the truck, the single builder who doesn't have like an office staff, I was saying that those days are over, but not really. Not really. Not really if you embrace technology. If you're one of those builders who you don't like technology, you don't like things changing and things like that, maybe like a baby boomer or something, man, you're not going to make it. Well, it's going to be very difficult for you to make it in this game. But these are some life hacks, man. And one of them here is, this is Octane PM. This is my building software, guys. And guys, we got this thing fine-tuned. And, you know, we got a little bit to go, but we got it fine-tuned, man. We got it where it estimates, especially for new builders. We got it to where it estimates and do all the things that you as a custom builder needs done. And the biggest problem with a lot of builders, man, is just organization. We're just not organized. You know, we want to just go out there to the job site and just deal with the subcontractors and inspectors and you know, and schedule and things like that and get things done. But we don't like this right here part, man. And this is where you actually make your money. You make your money because the estimation, if you're not estimating right, you're going to be in trouble. This right here actually helps, especially a first-time builder just trying to get his, you know, just trying to get started. And he don't really know all the dynamics and stuff and the breakdown of what it costs and things like that. We have a step-by-step itemization of how things work from the start of building to the end of building. Software is the way to go, man. Now, the next one, guys, is, you got to get a camera. Whether you use my camera or not. And this, guys, have it to where I really don't have to, you know, in some cases, especially on the front end, I don't really have to be there as much. I don't have to be there pointing fingers and making sure the subs show up and making sure they're doing the work. You know, I can kind of show up later on in the day to make sure they did what they needed to do. But these right here, these two items right here save me a lot of time. So I'm not traveling to those job sites. So the superintendents, that I can have out there on my job sites, those guys are actually out there. They have this on their phone. So they don't have to be driving all over town, wasting gas, just trying to make sure, you know, someone didn't show up while you're over there. You need to get on the phone and call those guys and make sure they showed up. And these cameras this is real time. You just saw a car drive by, but this is real time, guys. And you can put all your job sites on the camera where you can kind of look at it. Only problem is when you get on the inside, we got to figure that out. Maybe we can get drones one day to come in there and start doing that. So those are two life hacks. Software, guys, Octane PM, and then you have whatever camera system you have. And you want to make sure you have a camera system that takes a SIM card. You know, you don't need Wi-Fi because your job sites don't have Wi-Fi yet, but you need one that takes a SIM card, guys. And then, and also you make sure that when you get these right here, this camera software, you need to have the information uploaded on a cloud. And you guys can kind of see, let me just see if I can do this right here. So I have, let me see where we at. It's probably changed. So you can make sure that you have these things, like I can see what's going on during the daytime, and I got it on clouds. You know, you can kind of see what's happening, things going on. Anytime there's sound and stuff like that, you can see it. So software, Octane PM, cameras. Next thing, guys, this is more of a lifestyle item here, guys. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, this has been a game changer for a builder like me. Guys, I don't have time, guys. I've been trying to go on a low carb diet, losing weight. Guys, I've lost about, maybe about 15 pounds within maybe about 3 months. And guys, I'm not getting any money from these guys at all. That they're not paying me anything. I'm just saying that this is a good idea. And I think the problem that we have here in the, like right now, guys, we eat a lot of sugar. So I had to cut off, man, I was addicted to sugar, man. If you go in this pantry, man, the kids, these guys just go in here and they just load up. I mean, probably anything you see back here. Let me see if I can find some stuff. Like my daughter, she got all these chips and stuff like that. And, corn flakes and box food and stuff like that. Just sugar, sugar, sugar. And as long as I saw that stuff there, I was just indulging and eating that stuff. And I was just gaining, I couldn't get this weight off of me, guys. But when I cut this sugar out, it just, man, I'm telling you, man, it was unreal. So this right here company here, guys, this is just one. There's a lot of food prep companies, but let's just think about the whole dynamics, guys. I eat about 1 meal a day. I just take one of these right here, guys, and put it in my backpack, stick it in my backpack along with take it to work with me. In most cases, it throw out in the backpack, but you put it in the microwave, you stick it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And man, these meals are actually really, really good. My son, I've ordered a prep for my son. So I ordered food prep for him as well. And we just store them in here. And we get these things sent out every week. I get about 10 a week, costs me about guys, in a month, if you get 20, I can get 20 to feed me every day for the month during the week, guys. So during the week, I eat those food preps. This takes away me having to go to the grocery store, trying to figure out how to prep a meal, having to go over here and cook the meal. This right here takes away all of that. I let somebody else do it. I pay $170, $180 for 20 meals. Guys, that feed me for the month on the weekday. On the weekend, I go here and I barbecue me some food for the weekend. And this will help out. And guys, you see I get a lot of protein here. But guys, this right here is a game changer. And these people, they ship it to your doorstep, man, every so often. But guys, if you're a builder, you'll have a lot of time. And you don't want to be stopping at these restaurants that you don't know what they put in the food. These guys here, man, I mean, guys, they tell you what they put in the food. It's ingredients that you can understand. It's not like a chemistry experiment on the back of it for the ingredients, guys. So this is really the way to go. So that's another hack for a builder. Once again, guys, you guys like, share, subscribe, and thanks for joining in with the Alpha Builder. All right, guys, this is me again, Emmett Stallworth, the Alpha Builder. Guys, I just want to take this little time to say that, in previous videos, I've said that the custom guy that's in the truck, the old builder in the truck like it used to be maybe 20 years ago, I said his days are numbered. That's not necessarily true, guys. It's not necessarily true if you embrace technology. Guys, if you embrace technology, like I said, with this right here, with, software integration, and guys, also into, things that you can do, like cameras and things like that. And they're going to end up getting the drones and all those things. But guys, if you embrace technology, you can keep this thing going. It doesn't have to stop where you think it just don't have to stop. You can keep it going. But you can't be afraid of technology. And if you're afraid of technology, hire somebody that can do it for you. Hire you an AI, well, not an AI guy, but a tech guy that can handle those things for you. Once again, my dog, I think he wait till I get on this right here thing, and he does that right in the middle. But guys, technology is the way that we can make things happen. It's the way that you can compete. You can compete with technology. If you got the right software and that software is allowing you to get the pricing more on point to where you don't have to keep going back and forth with that homeowner and you got problems with them, things that you forget. I still see guys, I talk to guys that still using Excel. They have an Excel spreadsheet and they're going by Excel spreadsheet. That's very tough. It's very tough. and just engaging and knowing what to look for with the code. See, the technology will help you look at code, understand code, or give you reminders about code things in certain municipalities, etc. I mean, you can set that thing up to do almost whatever you need it to do, and it would save you money. So guys, embrace technology, embrace things that's gonna help you get better or help you get more efficient or quicker at what you do, like the food, the things like that. Sometimes you don't have time to be stopping at a restaurant eating. You got your little meal in your backpack and you just eat that. It's good and healthy for you. You know. And another thing, guys, we as custom builders, just builders in general, builders, guys, we have got to take care of our health. You know, what good is making a whole lot of money and your health is diminishing? And it becomes you have a poor quality of life. Yeah, you live it longer, but your quality of life is not that good. And guys, let me say this right here too. You know, at one point in time, you had a whole bunch of different car companies. You didn't have the main big car companies that we have today. You had a whole bunch of them. If you don't embrace technology, this is why I do what I do, guys, because what I'm trying to do is grow builders. We need more builders out there. We don't want these production guys to be the only ones that's out here building now. This thing, the car companies was the same way. You had a whole bunch of different custom car companies that built cars back in the day. And these, the bigger car companies, they started, buying politicians and stuff and creating more regulations. And these regulations made it to where the smaller custom car builders or car manufacturers, they couldn't afford to stay in the game. Heck, they had to go work for the big car guys. Same thing is starting to happen in the building industry, guys. Even with the new green code, these codes is coming out, making it where you have to do blower door and duct blaster tests. I saw that 20 years ago. Well, that's weeding out some of these guys. Some of these guys these custom guys they can't keep up with the technology, but not only that, with the cost. And they're being driven out of business. This is what we don't want, guys. We as custom builders want to be able to navigate and control our own lives. We don't want government, and I'm not saying it's all bad to have government, but we don't, we want to be able to go out here and, build a couple houses, do what we do, make our money, be able to, dictate what happens to us, ourselves, and not government. Because if you become one of the big builders and you the main builder, yes, you do have your own building company, but it's being highly regulated by government, similar to these power companies. So guys, keep that in mind. Once again, like, share, subscribe. Guys, it takes nothing to hit that thumbs up or thumbs down, doesn't matter. Guys, hit that thing, man. I'm trying to get these builders, when you guys hit that like button, it sends it out to more people so that we can get this message across, man, so that we can get more builders in this game. You guys have a good one. Thanks for dropping in.